Thank you for stopping by, everybody. So, we're just having a little family hangout today, cooking up some traditional Bosnian food, some specialties. So, right here, the wife is making some. It's called yabukovacha. So, this is one of my favorite things to eat. It's a dessert. It's basically like it's an American version of apple pie. We're not going to go through the details of what goes in there and things like that. We'll show you a couple things that she used to make it. It was definitely delicious. And then later we'll cook up some traditional cevapi, some chicken, things like that. Here's me. I couldn't help myself and try some of this apple. It was amazing, but not going to do a lot of talking. Just enjoy the video. Appreciate it if you click subscribe and let me know if you ever tried Bosnian food and what do you think of it. So good. one of my favorite barbecue sauces for, it's only for chicken, is what I prefer. It's this one's called Kinder's barbecue sauce, honey hot. Really good. I bought this at Walmart. I think it was like $8-10. Not doing a commercial for it, but or an advertisement. It's really good. You guys take a look at this. Next time you're in Walmart, make sure to pick this up. It's great with your chicken. Great flavor. Let's see how the chicken is. Of course, perfectly cooked. See it on there. That's a little blooper right there. I'll probably keep it in the video. That's okay. So this barbecue sauce is amazing.